Please stop using words like talent, candidate, hiring manager, client. These are people. Let's use the word people, okay? I don't want to label a person as a candidate. I don't want to label a person as a hiring manager. In fact, I will go so far as to say the only time we're ever using the term hiring manager is internally.
I would say that for a lot of these things, it's actually better for the rapport that you're kind of instrumenting, that you're a matchmaker for all the way around, right? I don't want to say, let me talk to the hiring manager about that and get back to you. I want to say, let me talk to Mary and get back to you, right? And I don't want to say, to the candidate Jim, like, oh, let me get that information from Jim. Like let me get that information from the candidate. No, I want this to be a close, personal, humanized relationship because I want it to work out because that's how I get paid. It's also important because when we start thinking this way, we're going to start thinking about our actual human relationships as commodities. I need more candidates. I just need more candidates for this search. Well, no, you need to find people and initiate conversations.
People, not candidates, hiring managers, clients, definitely not talent.